Money bag salary breakdown, basic, gross and net salary explained. Many people misunderstand the differences between basic salary, gross salary, and net salary, even though each of them represents a different part of earnings in a salary structure. Black small square basic salary, core or base pay. Basic salary is the fixed amount attached to a job. It is determined by the salary structure in use, such as the single spine salary structure, and depends on a person's qualification, rank, grade, or level. It is the main or original pay before any additions are made. If two workers are on the same rank, level, qualification, and years of service, their basic salary will be the same. This is why it is referred to as base pay or basic pay. Black small square allowances, extra payments, allowances are additional amounts paid on top of the basic salary. They are given because the basic salary does not cover all conditions of the job. Some examples are: black small square risk allowance, for jobs that involve danger or health risks; black small square protective clothing allowance, for special working gear; black small square accommodation or utility allowance, to support living needs; black small square fuel, kilometer, or vehicle maintenance allowance, for official movement using personal vehicles; black small square extra duty allowance, for working beyond normal hours; black small square responsibility allowance, for added duties or leadership roles; black small square heat, uniform, entertainment, and operational allowances; black small square gross salary, total earnings before deductions. Gross salary refers to the total amount a worker earns before any deductions are taken. It is made up of the basic salary plus all allowances. In summary, basic salary plus allowances equals gross salary. Black small square deductions, amounts removed from salary. Deductions are amounts taken out of the gross salary before the worker receives the final pay. These deductions are not the same for everyone because they depend on individual financial commitments and obligations. Examples include black small square SSNIT contributions, black small square pay, income tax, black small square union dues, black small square welfare contributions, black small square loan repayments, black small square insurance payments, black small square savings or mutual fund deductions, black small square tier 3 pension contributions, black small square credit union deductions, black small square net salary, take-home pay. Net salary is the actual amount a worker receives after all deductions have been removed from the gross salary. It is the money that goes into the worker's pocket. Even if two people earn the same gross salary, their net salary can be different depending on deductions such as loans or savings contributions. Black small square monthly and annual salary terms. Black small square monthly basic salary, the fixed basic pay received each month. Black small square monthly gross salary, total monthly earnings before deductions. Black small square annual basic salary, total basic salary for 12 months. Black small square annual gross salary, total gross earnings for 12 months. The annual basic salary is important because it is often used in calculating pension and retirement benefits by institutions such as SSNIT. Black small square summary and salary structure. It is important to clearly understand black small square basic salary, black small square allowances, black small square gross salary, black small square deductions, black small square net salary, black small square annual basic salary, black small square annual gross salary. These distinctions help to remove confusion when discussing salary matters.